Welcome to Share Plant Rentals. In this tutorial, we will be demonstrating how to navigate your reports in your owner dashboard. Select your profile in the top right. In your dashboard, navigate to Reports in the left-hand menu. Now select Rental Report from the drop-down menu. Once in the Rental Report section, you will be able to see orders that have been placed. This is where rental order details will be shown. You can scroll across to view all details about the orders, such as if they have been cancelled, dates and charges. You can export your rental report by selecting the Export button in the top right orange corner. If you are looking for a specific rental report, you can search by date at the top. You can view your product's performance in the Product Performance Report tab. Here you can view which equipment is performing the best when you select the tab labeled Top Performing Equipment. In this tab, you can see how many users have the product in their wish list and how many have been rented. There are two other tabs, one which shows the most refunded equipment and another that shows the most favorited equipment. Now you can go to the Product Inventory tab on the left. This section shows all of your product listings. This section shows the stock quantity and the rental quantity. You have now completed your report navigation. For more guidance and next steps, please visit our website or YouTube channel.